Kimchi. This simple word holds within it a universe of flavor and tradition. It isn't just food in Korea, it's an institution, a symbol of their culture, a staple on every table from humble homes to grand feasts. My own culinary journey has taken me to every corner of the globe, and few things captivate me like kimchi. The vibrant red of gochugaru, the pungent aroma, the satisfying crunch. It's a sensory experience unlike any other. Imagine a meal in Korea without kimchi. Unthinkable! It's the fiery companion to grilled meats, the tangy contrast in savory pancakes, the refreshing bite in steaming stews. But kimchi is more than just a side dish. For Koreans, it embodies their history, their values, and their deep connection to the land. Our exploration of kimchi takes us inside a bustling factory on the outskirts of Seoul. The air hums with activity, a symphony of clanging metal, whirring machines, and the rhythmic chatter of workers. Trucks rumble into the facility, their beds overflowing with the star of the show, Napa cabbage. These aren't your ordinary cabbages, they're colossal, some weighing as much as a small dog. Each head is carefully inspected, ensuring it meets the highest standards. Only the freshest, crispest cabbages will do for kimchi production. The scene is a testament to the scale of this operation, yet it retains a sense of artistry, a deep respect for the ingredients that form the foundation of this iconic dish. Once selected, the cabbages undergo a crucial transformation, brining. This process removes excess moisture and prepares them to absorb the complex flavors of the kimchi paste. Workers, their movements practiced and precise, slice the cabbages into quarters or halves, depending on the desired size. Then, they're submerged in massive tanks filled with a salt solution. This isn't just any ordinary salt. Korean kimchi makers use a coarse sea salt which draws out moisture while gently seasoning the cabbage. The brining time is crucial, carefully calibrated to achieve the perfect texture. Tender, yet still retaining a satisfying crunch. This stage sets the stage for the flavor infusion to come. Section 4. Cleansing and preparing, a sensory experience. After brining, the cabbages are thoroughly rinsed and drained. This step is essential for removing excess salt and ensuring the final product has a balanced flavor profile. The air fills with the sharp, slightly tangy aroma of fermenting cabbage, a scent that's both invigorating and comforting. It's a reminder that we're witnessing a living process, a transformation driven by nature's invisible forces. The now pliable cabbage leaves are carefully inspected once more, any damaged or imperfect pieces removed. Only the best will do. The scene is a testament to the meticulous care and attention to detail that goes into every aspect of kimchi production. Section 5. The heart of flavor crafting, the kimchi paste. This is the stage where the essence of kimchi is born, a process that transforms simple ingredients into a symphony of flavors. The soul of kimchi lies in its vibrant, fiery paste. This paste is not just a mixture, it's a carefully crafted blend that brings together the heat, the tang, and the umami that kimchi is known for. This is where the magic truly happens. Each ingredient plays a crucial role, contributing to the complex flavor profile that makes kimchi so unique and beloved. In a separate area of the factory, a tantalizing aroma fills the air, a symphony of pungent garlic, spicy ginger, and the unmistakable heat of gochugaru Korean chili pepper flakes. These ingredients are the backbone of the paste, each bringing its own unique character to the mix. Large industrial mixers whir to life, blending a precise combination of fresh ingredients. The mixers ensure that every batch of kimchi paste is consistent, with each ingredient evenly distributed throughout the mixture. Garlic and ginger are ground into a paste, their sharp flavors mellowing slightly as they combine with the other ingredients. This grinding process is crucial, as it helps to release the essential oils and flavors locked within these aromatic roots. Fish sauce, a staple in Korean cuisine, adds a savory depth and umami richness. This ingredient is what gives the kimchi paste its distinctive mouth-watering flavor that keeps people coming back for more. Then comes the gochugaru, its vibrant red hue staining the mixture a fiery orange. The gochugaru not only adds heat but also imparts a beautiful color that makes kimchi visually appealing. The type and amount of gochugaru can vary depending on the desired spice level and regional variations. Some regions prefer a milder paste, while others go for a more intense heat, showcasing the versatility of this key ingredient. This paste is the heart and soul of kimchi, infusing the cabbage with its complex and addictive flavor. The process of spreading the paste onto the cabbage is done with care, ensuring that every leaf is coated evenly, allowing the flavors to penetrate deeply and develop over time. Once the paste is applied, the kimchi is packed into jars, ready to undergo fermentation. This final step is where the magic continues, as the flavors meld and mature, creating the beloved taste of kimchi that is enjoyed worldwide. From the factory to the table, the journey of kimchi paste is a testament to the art and science of Korean cuisine. Each bite of kimchi carries with it the rich history and tradition of this iconic dish. Section 6. A symphony of tradition and technology, applying the paste. This is where the magic truly happens, where the flavors meld and the essence of kimchi is born. With the kimchi paste ready, it's time to bring everything together. The paste, a vibrant blend of spices, garlic, ginger, and fish sauce, is the heart and soul of kimchi. It's what gives kimchi its distinctive, bold flavor. In the past, this was a laborious process done entirely by hand. Families and communities would gather, each person contributing to the meticulous task of applying the paste. It was a time of bonding and tradition, where recipes were passed down through generations. Today, modern technology assists, but the human touch remains essential. Machines can handle the bulk of the work, but the expertise and care of skilled workers ensure that each leaf is perfectly coated. Conveyor belts transport the brined and rinsed cabbage leaves to waiting workers. This efficient system allows for large-scale production while maintaining the integrity of the process. Their hands move with practiced ease, scooping generous portions of the kimchi paste and meticulously rubbing it into every nook and cranny of the leaves. Each movement is deliberate, ensuring that the paste penetrates deeply, infusing the cabbage with flavor. Some factories utilize specialized machines that streamline this process, ensuring even distribution of the paste. These machines are marvels of modern engineering, designed to replicate the careful application traditionally done by hand. However, many still rely on the skilled hands of their workers, believing that the human touch imparts a certain energy and care that machines simply cannot replicate. The workers' experience and intuition play a crucial role in achieving the perfect balance of flavors. This blend of tradition and technology ensures that each batch of kimchi meets the highest standards of quality and consistency. By combining the best of both worlds, these factories honor the rich heritage of kimchi making while embracing the efficiencies of modern production methods. The result is a product that is both authentic and accessible, bringing the beloved flavors of kimchi to tables around the world. Section 7. Time and patience, the fermentation process. The journey from cabbage to kimchi isn't complete without fermentation, a process that transforms the ingredients and unlocks a symphony of complex flavors. This ancient method, rooted deeply in Korean tradition, is what gives kimchi its unique taste and texture. The magic begins once the cabbage is coated with a mixture of spices, garlic, ginger, and fish sauce. The coated cabbage is carefully packed into large containers, often traditional earthenware crocks called ongi or modern food-grade plastic containers. Ongi crocks, with their porous nature, allow for a slow and steady fermentation, while plastic containers offer a more controlled environment. These containers are then sealed and left to ferment, allowing naturally occurring lactic acid bacteria to work their magic. This bacteria is essential, as it breaks down the sugars in the cabbage, producing lactic acid which acts as a natural preservative and gives kimchi its tangy flavor. The fermentation time varies depending on the desired flavor profile. Shorter fermentation times result in a fresher, crisper taste, while longer periods develop deeper, more complex flavors. The temperature at which the kimchi is stored also plays a crucial role in the fermentation process. Some kimchi is enjoyed fresh, its flavor bright and tangy. This type of kimchi, often referred to as jeotjeori, is less pungent and has a delightful crunch, making it a favorite for many. Others are fermented for weeks or even months, developing a more pungent aroma and a deeply complex sour flavor. This aged kimchi, known as mugunji, is cherished for its rich taste and is often used in stews and soups. This process, a testament to the power of time and patience, is what gives kimchi its distinctive character and addictive taste. Each batch of kimchi tells a story of tradition, culture, and the meticulous care taken to achieve the perfect balance of flavors. Whether enjoyed fresh or aged, kimchi remains a beloved staple in Korean cuisine, celebrated for its health benefits and unparalleled taste.